Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to design a dynamic responsive homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind. So first I'm going to show you the design. So now I'm going to sign in to the homepage. So this is the design. This is the Skillshop title and there is a search bar with notifications and letters. This is cart list and watch list. This is the users details. We have drop down menu in here and here. You can search what you want in the search bar. I created a carousel for featured skills. This is the category section and this is the comments. These are the status of my website. These are instructions. This is the header and this is the footer. So this is the whole design of my homepage. Now let's see the code. First, I started the PHP session. Then I check whether the user is logged in and I also store the username and user role. This allows my homepage to display different content for buyers and sellers. Here, I use a PHP conditional statement. If the user is logged in, the navigation shows profile, notification and dashboard links. If not logged in, it only shows sign in and join buttons. This makes the navigation dynamic. I also created a script for the header also in this page. Here, this condition checks if the logged in user is a buyer. Only buyers can see the cart option. Sellers will not see this option. This is role-based UI control. This JavaScript code handles the profile dropdown. When the user clicks the profile button, the drop-down menu appears or disappears. I also added functionality to close it when clicking outside. Let's see the home PHP file. First, I include the header at the top. Here, I use Tailwind's responsive grid system. On medium screens and above, it shows two columns. On smaller screens, it becomes a single column. This makes the layout responsive dynamic. This section changes the buttons depending on login status. Buyers C go to dashboard. Sellers C create skill. Non-logged in users say get started. This improves personalization. This is the main carousel container. I use Flexbox and CSS transform to slide items smoothly. The transition property adds animation effect. These are the carousel items. And these are navigation buttons to move the carousel. This is the carousel indicators. These are category sections. And term and testimonial sections. And stats. In here, I call to actions. If the user is a buyer, you can go to buyer dashboard PHP file. You can go to buyer dashboard by clicking the go to dashboard. If your user is a seller, you can go to seller dashboard by clicking the go to dashboard. If you are not logged in, you can go to sign up page by clicking sign up now. This function controls the slide movement. If it updates the current slide index and loops back when reaching the end. Then it calls update carousel to move the slides. This automatically slides the carousel every 5 seconds. It improves user engagement and makes the UI dynamic. This checks screen width. If screen is desktop size, shows 3 cards. If mobile size, show 1 card. This makes the carousel responsive. I used Tailwind hover utilities for scaling and shadow effects. This improves UI interaction and modern design feel. Let's see the footer PHP. The footer uses a responsive grid layout. On smaller screens, 2 columns. On larger screens, 4 columns. This keeps the layout clean and responsive. The homepage combines front-end design, JavaScript interactivity, backend session logic, responsive layout. It is a dynamic role-based and fully responsive. Thank you.